Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UAVS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, certainly some updates here need to be made. Another very nice move, higher highs, higher lows. That's what matters most. First thing I am going to do, though, is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere I look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and that actually played out perfectly today. So earlier on in the day, the price broke above there, and then you can see price came down there and back tested it. So struggled a little bit, but moral of the story here, newest area of support, and what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Staying above $2.65. Now, with all that being said, if the price falls below that level, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Now, taking a big step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. If you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 260 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance, at this point, they just don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, it matters the most is what the price has been doing and continues to do. And that's that, just right there, building those higher lows, or if you want to envision these as stair steps, as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on just chipping away and building those higher bases, and sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.